हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारे साथ उन्जिला वोरा हैं। शी इज़ अ डूडल आर्टिस्ट एंड इनका अपना एक ई कॉमर्स का स्टोर भी है जिसके ऊपर शी सेल्स बेसिकली वेरेबल आर्ट, राइट? सो उन्जिला वोरा, आप मुझे ये बताएं कि आपका जो बैकग्राउंड है वो बिज़नेस का है, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट? सो लेकिन देन शी मूव टूवर्ड्स क्रिएटिविटी एंड का जो बिज़नेस है उसमें शी डूडल्स ऑन द आइटम्स दैट शी फुटवेयर एंड क्लोथिंग वेयर, जो भी अपैरल वगैरह होता है उसके ऊपर, एंड देन शी सेल्स इट। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डाइव इनटू हाउ डिड शी स्टार्ट दैट जर्नी, जहाँ पे आपने फिगर आउट किया कि ये मेरा एक इंटरेस्ट है, एक पैशन एरिया है जहाँ पे आई कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड। तो तुम ज़रा अपनी स्टोरी के अंदर हमें लेके जाओ कि वेयर डिड यू फाइंड दैट वन थिंग जहाँ से योर बिजनेस जर्नी स्टार्टेड एंड योर क्रिएटिविटी एंड बिजनेस गॉट इंटरलिंक्ड।
Okay. So first of all, thanks for having me here. It's lovely, and I would love to share my experience, my entrepreneurial experience throughout, how I got introduced to doodle art.
Yeah.
बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ थी। मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में थी, कुछ नोटबुक्स होती थी क्लासरूम में, मैं सबसे पीछे बैठ कर सिर्फ डूडल कर रही होती थी। येस, आई वॉज अ गुड स्टूडेंट, बट मेरा इंटरेस्ट हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं आर्ट में रहा है। सो बट इवेंचुअली slowly and gradually people used to just look and have a look at my notebooks, मैं क्या बना रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ। फिर अचानक से एक दिन बैठ के आई सॉ एन ओल्ड पेयर ऑफ शूज़ इन माई शू रैक, और जैसे ही वो मेरे पास था, आई डिड सम रिसर्च ऑन गूगल के आई वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग विद इट, मुझे उस जूते को रीवैम्प करना है।
नाइस।
सो आई केप्ट इट विद मी ऑन द बेड एंड आई स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग इट, जस्ट विद माई माइंड, विद वट एवर थाट्स आई हैड, विद सम म्यूजिक ऑन द साइड ऑफ कोर्स। तो जैसे ही वो बना, मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे उसकी पिक्चर पोस्ट करी, एंड आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ लव एंड अ लॉट ऑफ गुड फीडबैक, पॉजिटिव फीडबैक फ्रॉम ऑल माई कोलीग्स एंड माई फ्रेंड्स एंड एवरीवन, which gradually started to motivate me कि मैं आगे बढ़ूँ एंड इसको कहीं किसी पोजीशन पे लेके जाऊँ,
बिजनेस फॉर्म में ले
एक बिजनेस फॉर्म में ले आऊँ, जिससे फिर लोग ऑर्डर कर सकें, बिकॉज ऐसी चीज़ उस टाइम पे पाकिस्तान में अवेलेबल ही नहीं थी। एंड और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं एक सोल्यूशन लेकर आ रही हूँ, विच ग्रेजुअली जब मैंने अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाया तो मुझे समझ आया कि येस, आई एम सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हेन आई एम ब्रिंगिंग पर्सनलाइजेशन इनटू माय बिजनेस।
इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताती हूँ रिगार्डिंग दिस। आई बिफोर इवन आई न्यू उन्जिला, आई एक्चुअली केम अक्रॉस हर वर्क। मैंने इनका पेप्सी के साथ इनकी कोलैबोरेशन थी, वेयर उन पेप्सी के शूज़ के ऊपर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इन्होंने डूडल करके वो आई थिंक इट वॉज यूज्ड इन अ कमर्शियल फॉर्म, राइट? सो वहाँ पे आई गॉट इंटरेक्टेड विद दैट एंड आई फेल्ट इट वॉज प्रीटी कूल कि शूज़ के ऊपर इस तरह करके आर्ट हुई हुई है, पेप्सी ने अपना लोगो वगैरह बनवाया था एंड फंकी डूडलिंग उसके ऊपर हुई हुई थी। एंड देन व्हेन वी एक्चुअली मेट एंड शी टोल्ड मी कि शी रन्स दिस बिजनेस, आई वाज सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड एंड दैट्स द रीज़न शी इज़ विद अस टुडे। हमारे साथ पॉडकास्ट में बैठ के अपना पूरा डिस्कस कर रही हैं। एंड आई वॉज रियली क्यूरियस कि ऑब्वियसली बीइंग अ फीमेल आपके लिए बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टी होती है टू जस्ट स्टार्ट अप एनी बिजनेस। एंड ऑब्वियसली व्हेन आई मेट हर, शी वाज नॉट जस्ट डूइंग दिस बिजनेस डूडलिंग वाला, शी वाज ऑल्सो डूइंग इन्फ्लुएंसिंग, राइट? इन्फ्लुएंसर, एंड शी इज़ अ इन्फ्लुएंसर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल। शी ऑल्सो वर्क्स कॉर्पोरेट फुल टाइम, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So ये सारी चीज़ें साथ में मैनेज करना is quite difficult. So how do you manage that? ये सारी चीज़ें कैसे करती हो?
The thing with me, I have always wanted to कि मैं different जगहों को explore करूँ. Doing one thing is not my thing.
Okay.
मुझे different चीज़ों को explore करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted to become an influencer, a content creator, you can say. I am a health freak. I love fitness. So I wanted to cater that side of the audience जहाँ लोगों को मैं awareness दे सकूँ कि fitness is a thing, because there are a lot of like I like to do fashion as well, but I feel fitness is very important. तो उस part को मुझे ज़्यादा cater करना था। उसके अलावा I love fashion, I love like who doesn't like to dress up well, so that was also one of the reasons.
And you are looking amazing today as well.
Thank you, likewise. उसके अलावा my corporate job is related to sales, and I think and business development basically, and I think I love doing that. business को develop करना, एक नई form देना और बिजनेस लेकर आना किसी के लिए, आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग दैट रियली एक्साइट्स मी. सो आई थिंक इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज ऑल थ्री थिंग्स, बट आई थिंक वी जस्ट शुड पुश आर सेल्व्स इनफ कि हम ज़्यादा चीज़ें कर सकें, बिकॉज और एक चीज़ पे स्टक होना, आई फील इज़ लाइक वी आर वेस्टिंग आर टाइम, एनर्जी एंड and these
Understandable,
in these times, I think
understandable.
it's important.
Now
yeah.
I will come to words because you just said कि आप multifaceted person हो,
Yeah.
like you like doing and exploring different things. But I'm sure कि एक business को run करना requires a full-time attention as well. So how did you start in Pakistan अपना local business which turned into such a nice and huge thing जो अब आप properly उसको run कर रही हो and I'm sure उसको आपने expand भी किया है further. So take us through the whole journey. How did you start it off? Like we will focus on Doodlelink right now. And उसके अंदर आपको क्या क्या struggles face करनी पड़ी, like as a female as well and as a general businesswoman, and how did you manage those struggles and what all did you do like throughout, और अब क्या कर रही हो, what are the plans for your business as well?
Okay. I mean, this question is seemed very interesting and important to me for a lot of reasons. Because running a business in Pakistan and as a female, it's not easy. It comes with its own struggles, with its own problems.
100%.
Because यहाँ पे आप जब मार्केट्स में जा रहे होते हो, जब आप वेंडर से बात कर रहे होते हो, तो it takes a lot of courage.
Of
it
course.
takes a lot of effort to make them understand
Yeah.
कि as a female आप कुछ कर सकते हो. सबसे पहले तो उनको ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So, but still that just makes you stronger as a female.
Yeah.
With passing years, what I've felt in myself is that I've become much more stronger and confident that yes, I
Yeah.
can. If अगर आप पाकिस्तान में business run कर सकते हो as a female,
Yeah.
I think that's a remarkable job that you can do.
True.
Because sometimes you feel knocked down or sometimes you feel कि आप नहीं कर पाओगे because constant एक दिमाग में एक worry और एक fear होता है आपके, especially when you're here. But alhamdulillah it all went well, it all went smooth and एक point आया कि मैं successfully अपना e-commerce store बना सकी. Trial and error के through मैंने अपने business में बहुत कुछ सीखा.
You be willing to tell us any one of that scenario जहाँ पे you faced something like जहाँ पे almost लगा हो कि ये तो सब like downhill जा रहा है, boom हो रहा है and I might have to end my business or something like that, or it was all okay?
With a business it's never okay. आपको almost हर month लग रहा होता है और हर time लग रहा होता है that no, this is it and अब तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता and this is the end.
Yeah.
But then you love your business so much that you just don't get to a point where you want to end it. But yes, the toughest time I would like to discuss that was the COVID time.
Yeah.
उसके बिल्कुल शुरू में I used to do my full-time job in an advertising agency.
अच्छा.
I just made my mind कि बस अब मुझे job नहीं करनी है.
अच्छा.
I don't want to be a 9 to 5 person.
During COVID you thought that?
Before COVID.
अच्छा, before COVID. सही है.
I thought I don't want to be a 9 to 5 person.
सही
मैं अपना
है.
business करूँगी.
Yeah.
I have the skill set. I'm
Yeah,
creative
yeah.
enough. I'll do it. तो बस मैंने वो एक leap of faith लिया और मैंने अपना 9 to 5 job से बिल्कुल resign कर दिया.
Okay.
And I had my own office, my own studio जहाँ पे I had my whole team as well. And I was like, okay, this is it. I have to start from scratch and do my business, etc. But right after that, COVID आ गया. और COVID के बाद ऐसा लगा कि ना job है, ना business है, कुछ बचा नहीं है, and everything has ended.
Okay.
That took a toll on my mental health a lot.
Okay.
I'm sure everyone was going through a tough time when it was COVID. So, but with me, I think business के साथ आप जब चल रहे होते हो तो mentally आप थोड़े डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हो because financial crisis बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं and you overthink a lot, so which is a natural thing to do. So but I was patient enough and I was calm enough and I just kept on praying because I loved my business so much which I had just initially started. और मुझे दोबारा से give up करके उस phase में वापस नहीं जाना था, not so soon, but I wanted to just keep on going forward with it.
So regardless of whatever, like आपके पास maybe orders नहीं आ रहे हो, people weren't approaching या जो भी सारा scene था, you just wanted to keep the business so that time doesn't come कि जहाँ पे वो बिल्कुल shut down हो जाए, right?
Exactly.
And then eventually started picking up again and yes.
It started picking up. It started picking up after a few months.
So basically कोई भी setback आए just tells you कि उसके ऊपर आपको give up नहीं कर देना चाहिए.
Definitely.
Right?
You have to pivot. You have to change your strategy. You should not stop. Problems आते रहते हैं. I mean, business है, चलता रहता है. आप you can go literally you can go insane sometimes.
But cheers to you not going insane.
Thank you.
You started off with shoes and then you went towards like clothing.
Yes.
But यही था.
Yes, यही था. Yes.
And ठीक है. Okay. And what all items do you currently like have?
Mainly my star product right now is footwear.
Okay.
Anything that's footwear.
सही है.
Espadrilles, slip-ons, khussas, for men, women, both.
Both, okay.
उसके अलावा digitally printed quad sets जिनको मैं digitally design करती हूँ, and then I just get them printed.
Okay.
So that's relatively new. We are still working on it.
Yeah.
But I think footwear is one thing that's ongoing on the website.
ठीक है. And what was that defining moment जहाँ पे तुम्हें लगा हो कि now I have ये जो मैंने business start किया है, I have made it into it, like अब ये this has become something. What was that one moment?
I think, as you mentioned earlier in our
Yeah.
conversation, the Pepsi collaboration
Achha,
was
yeah,
the game changer for
definitely,
me.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah,
Because I knew you because of that, and I'm sure कि
Yes.
वहीं पे सबसे ज़्यादा एक वो hype create हुई थी उसकी doodle.
So,
and अब ये बताओ कि what are the plans for your business? What do you like? What do you think कि अब ये कहाँ लेके जाना है, क्या करना है इसके साथ?
I think the major goal that I have in my business is to take it expand it internationally.
Oh,
because
सही
I
है.
feel जो मेरी major inspiration आई है initially, that's mainly because of my travels. And I took a lot of inspiration from the
Let's also talk
graffiti.
about that.
So वहाँ से आई है. So my goal is to take it there, but that doesn't mean at all कि पाकिस्तान में वो चीज़ नहीं होगी available or I'll stop operations here, because I feel Pakistan needs a lot of art. And यहाँ पे भी fashion का game काफ़ी strong होना चाहिए. So it's just an expansion phase, and hopefully I'm working on it, and it will get there.
When we have talked about her doodling, the apparel business, we should not forget इन्होंने इनका अपना, she also runs Explore With You is the second thing that you are running, right? Which is basically related to traveling. She takes different groups of people, different areas में. She manages everything on her own. अगर आप लोगों में से भी किसी को अपना कोई travel plan करना हो and you want to leave everything to that person, that is Unzila. Explore With You is the page name. So उसमें मुझे बताओ कि वो कैसे start किया? How did that come into the existence, and how are you managing that?
Okay, so apart from art and a corporate job and business development, I think traveling is that one thing जो that has always been with me since years. So I think I always converted my passion into my business.
Yeah.
So art was one of that. उसके अलावा travel is another thing which I recently started, and I wanted to make people feel, especially I wanted to take girls and women of Pakistan and have retreats with them, जहाँ पे जाके वो art को और travel को experience करें collectively in unity, because not a lot of people currently are doing that. So another thing that I wanted to tap into. So that's the major goal with Explore With You.
For sure. So I will tell you my personal experience in Explore With You के साथ. I myself didn't travel that much, and मुझे यही hesitation थी कि first time जब मैं travel करूँगी, how should I do that, and सारा situation. So I reached out to her. She planned out a whole girls trip, और हम लोग फिर गए थे travel करने के लिए, and I had an amazing experience उसके अंदर. And I'm sure all the other girls that went, they had the similar reviews. And so so I would definitely say that that's an amazing initiative that you took, and it's a unique business idea, and you should definitely explore that more. And I hope that we travel again soon.
Very soon.
Yeah. So ये एक situation है. उसके अलावा, is there any other business that you are doing which we don't know of?
I don't think
And
so.
we are literally wondering right now कि how do you even get the time to give to each business? Firstly, then you're an influencer. It takes time to create content as well, and then you're also doing a corporate job जिसमें I'm sure it demands a lot of time of your day as well. So ये सब किस तरह हो रहा है? Is it just also because आपको अपना lifestyle and fitness का and health का ख्याल रखना होता है? Because if you're not healthy and if you're not fit, then you don't have the energy and that brain power to actually sit and do all of it.
Yes.
Or is there something else? You have a magic spell or something that you do?
I think there is no magic spell, and I'm a human being at the end of the day. I do have my setbacks. I do have my there are times जब मैं इतनी disciplined नहीं हो पाती हूँ, when I'm not able to focus, because creativity does require you to focus a lot. Makes and sense. Be in that mindset, कोई creative blocks ना आए. I feel consistency has led me where I am, and I think consistency and discipline दो बहुत important चीज़ हैं.
Makes sense.
Consistency especially, you need to be at it no matter how bad your life gets, no matter how bad the situations become around you. I think think nobody will come and save you, especially if you're a woman here in Pakistan.
Some really good advices, you know.
You have to stand up, you have to do what you have to do, fight for it, get it done, be consistent and be disciplined. I know it's easier said than done, but mushkil hota hai, but I think these are a few things that just kept me going. But guys, keep going. I think that's the key to life.
Yeah, but like once again, because we are now ending it, and Unzila ने काफ़ी अच्छे में pointers दिए हैं to understand and know कि अगर किसी को अपना खुद का business start करना है and they want to keep on going, the consistency bit is the deal. आप किसी भी mindset में हो, scenario में हो, किसी भी situation में हो, life के किसी भी phase में हो, whatever you want to do, you keep the consistency in it, चाहे वो health wise हो, fitness wise हो या कुछ भी हो, right? So that's the key takeaway that we are taking from this. But thank you so much for coming and doing this with me. ठीक है? And I hope that we get to see more of her work out there, and wish you Godspeed with everything that you do in the future as well.
Thank you so much.
Let's just say it together. Keep watching.
Keep watching.